This is Channel 9 Eyewitness News at 4. Coverage you can count on.
Money meant to go to victims of the 911 terror attack is now running out. 9 Investigates looks into why the fund is in jeopardy and why advocates are coming to Central Florida to fight for it.
A fund that provides money to first responders who got cancer after the September 11th attacks is now in jeopardy.
There's been a push to fully fund this program through 2090, a battle advocates have been fighting for more than a decade. 9 Investigates' Shannon Butler has more on why these advocates are headed to Central Florida today.
First responders who were on the ground after the September 11 attacks say the World Trade Center health program is critical. But now the program's financial future is unclear. Advocates say the program, which provides medical screening and treatment for health conditions for 9/11 responders and survivors, is facing a $3 billion shortfall that could prevent new patients from getting care in 2027.
We will keep fighting until we get this done.
Michael Barasch represents 40,000 first responders who got cancer from the 9/11 attacks. Some have moved or retired here. Others were called to New York to help. The issue, the program is financially supported by the government through 2027, but funding beyond that year was excluded from a federal continuing resolution passed in December of 2024. The lapse is happening as the rate of survivors facing various forms of medical problems continues to rise. 69 forms of cancer and other respiratory illnesses have been linked to toxic exposure near ground zero. That includes asthma, COPD, many linked to toxic exposure, with new studies suggesting ties to dementia and autoimmune diseases. To date, over 6,400 people have died from the 9/11 related illnesses, more than twice the number lost in the attacks. Advocates are still moving ahead with not only signing up people, but also fighting to fund it. That's why he's coming to the villages tomorrow to tell people the fund is there for them, and they need to get ready to join the fight.
Sadly, all too many politicians around the country, outside of New York and New Jersey, they're forgetting. They're forgetting that this was an attack on America, not just an attack on New York City. And they're forgetting that people from all over the country came to help out.
In Orlando, Shannon Butler, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.